Welcome to the Parish Pastoral Care Council meeting with 13 different parishes, at least 5 to 3 people per group, and we're filling up the hall of Our Lady of Fatima Parish.
My name is Sister Anastasia. I'm a member of the Parish Renewal Team along with Tanya Greenlight and with Anna.
Tonight was about how to really dream big and to aspire to the parish growing in its role of leading people to Jesus and strengthening our faith.
Oh, look, I think it's good. You can sort of support one another as well. Like you sort of lean on each other, get some ideas of each other. What works at other parishes, you can sort of take home with you and sort of try and implement as well. So I think just, getting some good ideas of each other is really important.
That we can build, we can improve, we can look at what we are doing, looking at aspire to do more things and work together as a parish council. The last session we were focusing on how we can help people to pray more, whether that's in the parish as part of the parish life or individually in their own life.
It was very lively, the discussions were really good, so it was a great opportunity for them to share with each other, also to get to know each other a little bit more and to also share ideas from parish to parish. So we heard different experiences that I think will help the other parishes and give them some ideas.
I feel like some of us are doers, and I feel like after this, I feel like we're all going to be doers, which is good. Trying to evangelise and trying to get more people involved in ministries.
Our people is hungry for faith, spiritual formation. So that's what we're planning on doing. And that's what we've learned from this little activity that we've done today.
I think it's really important because I feel like some people get lost in time in the mundane and they don't want to change. And I feel like when you have things like this, it heightens the importance of changing and moving to the future because you have to meet people in their life where they're at.
I hope that they'll find new ways of conducting their meetings, but also to be able to think of new ways to help the parish to flourish, to help strengthen the faith of the people, help them, equip them to also evangelise, to reach out and bring the good news to the people in the area.
Onward and upward.
Onward and onwards, yeah.